Hello everybody, welcome to my class. This is DJS Nageswarrao, lecturer diet Bhivanapatnam. In this class, I want to talk about the portfolio 14 initiatives in school education. The task, write the challenges in implementation of initiatives of Samagra Shiksha and suggest possible solutions. Initiatives of Samagra Shiksha: universalizing access, ensuring adequate infrastructure, use of digital technology, provision of quality of education by enhancing learning outcomes of the students, bridging social and gender gaps in school education, ensuring equity and inclusion, promoting vocational education. The components of Samagra Shiksha: preschool education, library and sports, composite school grant, inclusive and girls education, school safety, culture and environmental concerns, grants for textbooks, uniforms and transportation, capacity building of teachers, accountability and awards. Initiatives of Samagra Shiksha in Andhra Pradesh: Diksha platform, Vidya Varadi program, revision of curriculum and textbooks, no school bag day, we love reading, Nadu Nedu, Jagananna Vidya Kanaka, Jagananna Gorumudda, creation of IED school assistant sports. Diksha platform is the platform through which nearly 1.5 lakhs of teachers are undergoing training, Nishta training program. Similarly, Vidya Varadi is a program through which lessons are being telecasted through Doordarshan for the students of Andhra Pradesh from class 1 to 10th. Recently, the textbooks and the curriculum of Andhra Pradesh has been revised, and in the textbooks, the suggestions of national education policy are also reflected. And in the last year, a program called No School Bag Day is initiated in Andhra Pradesh on a Saturday in every month. On that particular day, children come to the school without a bag, and children participate in cultural activities. They prepare material and also they participate in work experience activities. So through these activities, their creativity will be brought out. Recently, the government of Andhra Pradesh School Education Department has initiated a program called We Love Reading to enhance the reading abilities of the children, school going children. So, this is the program to develop the reading interest on reading among the students from class 3 to class 9th. As a part of this program, every Sunday, 2 hours are allotted in the public libraries and prominent places, including schools. All the students are exposed to stories under the title Sunday Story Time. And the other programs like Nadu Nedu. And this program has changed the entire school education scenario by providing required infrastructure to the schools, and all the shapes of the schools have been changed, and now many of the schools are attracting the children towards the government schools. Jagananna Vidya Kanaka is a kit where the required material for the children, including qualitative notebooks and a pair of shoes and uniform and everything which is required for the children are provided in this kit. And Jagananna Gorumudda, it is an increased amount of quality in the midday meals program for providing nutritious food to the students of government schools. And recently in Andhra Pradesh, school assistant posts under inclusive education are created and filled in certain high schools, so that the enrollment of CWSN children will be increased in government schools. So these are the initiatives in Andhra Pradesh by Samagra Shiksha. Now the challenges. engaging teachers in other works other than the education department or academic works, focusing more on data collection by the higher officials, ambience, lack of ambience and learning environment in the schools. Teachers are demotivated or undermotivated, and mindset of the teachers is also a challenge to update themselves according to the needs of the latest technology, and mushrooming of private schools, insufficient academic monitoring, which is very important and biggest challenge. The academic monitoring has been hampered for the last 5 to 10 years, and integrating online and offline classes by the teachers. Apart from this, the community support is also a challenge, and ensuring safety and security in view of COVID 19. Now, the possible solutions: ensuring the capacity building of the teachers at regular intervals by strengthening the cluster resource centers or the school complexes, and by allotting resource persons to the school complexes to improve the capacity of the teachers in teaching as well as learning of the children in schools, and establishing official professional groups for sharing of best practices. WhatsApp groups are very much important for to be established, like a mathematics group of at the mandal level, district level, or state level. Similarly, TLM groups and different subjects, and competitions in teaching learning materials are also to be conducted for teachers to bring out the creativity of the teachers, and orientation to heads of schools and academic supervision is very much essential, because many of the headmasters or headmistresses are heads of the schools like KGBVs and other aided schools are also they are not being able to supervise the services of the teachers and also classes because they lack the required orientation to supervise. So this is very much essential, and close monitoring and review from time to time. The academic monitoring is to be strengthened by strengthening the teacher education institutions in the district, as well as the strengthening the MRCs by providing regular teachers as resource persons as it was done earlier, MRP system, because now CRP system is running in the mandal level, but the CRPs are only collecting data from the schools and they are not in a position to extend their academic support to the teachers because they are appointed on a temporarily basis and they are working on outsourcing basis. Hence, this monitoring system is to be increased from the complex level to the mandal level, divisional level, and also district level. And the monitoring results are also to be reviewed at even complex level or mandal level so that the best practices of certain schools are to be disseminated to the mandal teachers and it should be evaluated at mandal level, which is very important. So the review meetings are to be conducted from time to time, and awareness is to be provided on the safety and security measures of COVID-19 to the public and teachers to the students. So these are the possible solutions for the initiatives of to the challenges of the initiatives of Samagra Shiksha in Andhra Pradesh. Hope this video will help you in developing your portfolio. Thank you one and all.